Good morning, adventurers. We are here at Hoffman Hills State Recreation Area in Wisconsin. We're going to go on a day hike, about 4.5 miles, all the way around, checking out stuff as we go. Come on a hike with me. So Hoffman Hills State Recreation Area is basically like a state park. It is about 10 minutes northeast of Menominee, Wisconsin. And it's a big, I think it was 700 acres area that we're gonna be zigzagging all over the place. About a 4.5 mile trail I got picked out. It's like 45 degrees out, overcast, and the birds are out today. Crazy. This is interesting. I've never seen anything like this. Apparently 4 townships all meet here at one point. This is a survey marker. I'm standing in the township of Tainter. It's a township of Red Cedar. Township of Elk Mound. And the township of Colfax. Okay, so this big mound here, is called Mount Fuji. I was really hoping that there was like a spur trail going up to the top, but there's not. I want to climb Mount Fuji. I'm going to give it a shot. Alright, I have summited Mount Fuji. But it's not as much of a view as I thought there was going to be. A little bit off in the distance. Now I gotta make it back down. Thorn bushes everywhere. We took the South Squirrel Trail, I believe it was called. All the way down is a little loop. We're down at the ends. There's a little bit of a view here. This section of the trail here follows along a ridge here that gets some pretty decent views through the trees. All right, we are coming up here on what most would consider the main attraction at this park, the observation tower. I'm going to turn my nerves off and we're going to climb to the top. Check it out. All right. Wow. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, I'm out of breath. But man, this is beautiful. There's a kite in a tree over there. Just a gorgeous spot up here though. There's 3 levels you can stop on to look over. This is the top. Check out the other levels as we go down. Awesome. Well, it's really nice up here. It's not windy. I'm like 3 miles in, so I'm gonna stop and eat some banana walnut bread. Yum. All right, here we are on the second level down the middle. All right, now let's go down 1 more level. And then here we are on the other level. There's the trail down there. The Greg Schubert Memorial Tower. It is 60 feet high, and it is located at one of the county's highest spots, so that's why you get such a great view all around. Alright, so we finished up that big loop. We did that smaller loop, and now we're heading off onto another little out and back here that goes around this, which is Marion Pond. And there's another pond that we will go around as well. I was just thinking, the birds have been out today all over the place, flying around, chirping, singing, knocking on wood. But I get here to the open water and there's no birds to be seen. I heard a mourning dove cooing over there. They can be often mistaken as a owl. But are actually, in fact, mourning doves. There it is right there. Ladies and gentlemen, Richard's Pond. Richard's Pond is pretty. I didn't really, this whole section here wasn't on my map and I didn't have it planned, so, but I saw it on their little trail maps over here, and I hadn't seen any water on this whole hike, so I was like, well, let's go do that section. It's got 2 ponds on it. Alright, back here at the parking lot. This place is pretty cool. Fairly remote. There was only 1 car here when I got here, now there's 3, other than mine. Never saw anyone out there on the trail though. Nice quiet place. Plenty of trails to explore. It was definitely well set up for skiing in the wintertime. The trails were well marked, wide grass trails. Just a great place. It's a beautiful day. The overcast has gone away. Nice blue sky now. Warmed up. It's got to be like 50 degrees, 55 probably. Just a beautiful day. There's a picnic area here where I'm at now at the parking lot. There was a picnic area also that was like a hike-in picnic area, about a half mile in when I started. I believe there's a campsite here too. I think it's on the other side of the park. You gotta come in from the other side. Yeah, it's a nice place. Only an hour from the Twin Cities, so it's a beautiful day. Thanks everyone for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the hike, and I'll see you next Monday right here on Habit Trail Backpacking.